Well, hello. Welcome back, everybody, to Rockin' Wheels. Great to see you. Wish you were out here. You probably are. You're watching this after the fact. But I'm here tonight with Shoeless Joe's Joe. How ironic. How are we doing tonight, man?
Very good, very good. Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Oh, 100%. You guys have been a sponsor now for a good few years here. Out here all the time, making food, making people smile. We appreciate that.
Absolutely. We enjoy coming out here. We look forward to every summer getting out here, seeing a lot of customers in a different environment. So we enjoy it. So.
Absolutely. As you can see behind me here, everybody's hard at work. This is a total group effort here. And you can actually come and see Shoeless Joe's is right here in Addison, right down the street on Lake Street. What's the exact address?
1480 West Lake Street, right across the street from Marcus Theater.
Nice. Did you guys just build like a new balcony or something on your building?
We did. 3 years ago, we started with a second outdoor patio with the second floor. So this is our third summer with that.
Excellent. I drove by on 4th of July, and I happened, you guys were closed, but so I did not stop in to say hi, but I was like, whoa, that thing looks impressive, man. On a night like tonight, that's where you want to be sitting, on some Shoeless Joe's porch. So tell me a little bit about what we're serving tonight.
So tonight we're doing our barbecue ribs, we're doing our homemade chicken tenders, and our Italian sausage with hot and sweet peppers.
Awesome. So you can come by. Obviously, you're going to see this after the fact, so you should be here enjoying all this food, and I tell you that every week. So real quick, if I was going to tell anybody, put me towards your social media, website, what do you have going on? Any upcoming specials at the restaurant, anything?
You know what, for the remainder of the summer, this is our last night here at Rockin' Wheels for the year.
No.
Yeah, so we don't have any more dates as of now set up. Next year we'll get some more out here. And then just the rest of the summer, we kind of just focus on our patio, try and get people out there and enjoy the remaining days of summer.
Live music at all out there?
At our Schiller Park location, we do live music, not in Addison.
Okay, very cool. So check that out as well for a list of shows upcoming. Do you have a website?
Yeah, it's shoelessjoesalehouse.com. Everything we list on there with our bands and everything for other location. So, and social media, we keep pretty much up to date with that.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for joining me tonight, Joe. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate the crew and everybody. Always good to see you guys.
All right, thank you.
So, yeah, absolutely, man. So be sure to join us next week, and for the rest of the summer, you know where to find us. We're here every single Thursday night. Beautiful weather tonight. If you're not here, you're missing out. But for a complete list of all the shows for the rest of the year, visit ithappensinAddison.com. We'll see you next week. I caught him.
Right? We're gonna play all night. No, I'm kidding. Who drove here tonight by themselves? How fast were you going? 55 was the slowest. One foot on the brake and one on the gas. Hey! Well, there's too much traffic, I can't pass, no. So I tried my best legal move. Big black and white trying to bust my groove. Yeah! Wow, yeah! Write me up for 125. Post my face, throw you dead or alive. Take my license, all that shit. I can't drive, come on! took me 15 hours just to get to Addison. Oh, write me up for 125. Post my face, 1 to 10 on the line. Take my license, all that shine. Kid, try to come on. Yeah. One kid, drive 55. Come on. One kid, drive 55. Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. I don't wanna miss it when you hit that high. Wake me up before you go. Cause I'm not planning on going solo. Wake me up before you go. Take me dancing tonight. I wanna hit that high. Put the gray skies out of my way. To make my sunshine brighter than Morris Day. Turn a fight spark into a flame. My beats prime and it never felt the same. Cause you're my lady, I'm your fool. It makes me crazy when you act so cool. Come on baby, let's not fight. We'll go dancing, everything will be alright. Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. I don't wanna miss it when you hit that high. Wake me up before you go. Cause I'm not planning on going solo. Wake me up before you go. Take me dancing tonight. I wanna hit that high. We'll go dancing tomorrow night. It's cold out there, but it's warm in bed. But they can dance, we'll stay home instead. Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. I don't wanna miss it when you hit that high. Don't you dare keep me hanging on like you. Take me 10 some wham right there. How you feeling? You feeling good? Everybody make some noise. Put your drinks up to the sky. Cheers, everyone. If you're still drinking on a Thursday, then good work.